Hey guys, it's Nicole, and today I am going to be reviewing and trying on hair extensions from Amazon. Specifically, claw-on ponytail extensions, which is why I am currently wearing ponytail right now for this video. I have two ponytail hair extensions. Both are under $20. This one is a black purple ombre. It's supposed to be curly and it's from ILUU. Well, this is a straight black hair claw-on extension from the Falendi store. They're both synthetic. Let's just see what they're all about. So we're going to start with the black to purple ombre because I just found that one more interesting personally. I'm not really allowed to dye my hair, so this is the closest I can get to the experience. Yeah, here it is. It has a hairnet, but it looks like it's only wrapping around the claw. Anyways, that's besides the point. Here is what the extension looks like. I'm kind of surprised that it's mostly purple and there's not much black on it. But it's a decent length though. This is like 18 or like 20 inches. I don't have the specific measurements, I forgot, but this is how long it is for reference. Here is kind of like what the back looks like. It's supposed to be curly, but it looks more wavy than curly, which I'm not mad about because my hair isn't exactly like curly. It's actually naturally like pretty wavy. So I feel like this would still do its job. I think we should try it on right now. Okay, so I have it on my head right now, and immediately I thought this would. I've never tried a claw-on hair extension before, so I don't really know what to expect. I heard it feels a little bit heavier on your head, which I mean that's to be expected, so I'm not surprised by that. It feels pretty nice though. It doesn't feel that heavy actually, and it actually feels nice to have longer hair. But yeah, let me just turn around to show you guys a little bit of the perspectives. I'm probably gonna wear this to more like videos because this is pretty like freaking cool. This is definitely worth the money, but like back to the point, for $15, this is worth the money. I mean, if you want to, if you're kind of like me, who's not really like allowed to dye their hair, or just wants to try something different and doesn't want to do anything permanent, this is a really good place to go. I'm gonna put the link to this in the description. This is like really fantastic. And I think the best part about it is like it's not that complicated at all, because I tried hair, like clip-on hair extensions that are highlights basically, and that's more complicated compared to like this. Like once you get this on your ponytail, you're pretty much set. And what's great about this is easy to remove too, and yeah. I think something to watch out for about this, because like with any synthetic hair extension, is make sure you have this placed in a good place, because once these things are tangled, it's really hard to untangle them. The next thing I'm going to now review is the black straight claw-on hair extension. Hairnet covers the whole extension, which I think is pretty good to keep the extension lasting longer. And so far it's looking pretty nice. Oh, I feel like Ariana Grande because of how long this hair is. I'll give you guys like a side profile. This is something I could see myself wearing like out to public if I really need it. Like, who knows, maybe this could be like part of my prom. Also giving me like the long hair experience, so like that's pretty cool. Don't be surprised if you guys see me wearing this in the future. But yeah guys, that is the video. Both of the links to these products will be in the description. Highly recommend these, and yeah. If you guys want to see more videos, you should subscribe to this channel. See you guys next time. Cheerio!